What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, and has a 7-speed automatic transmission. Nice interior. I like this brown color. You also have a pretty big sunroof. This is the coupe, by the way. And you have a Burmester sound system. I love the Burmester speaker grills. And you also have the seat controls over here, obviously, with the Mercedes design. Open pore wood trim. You do have this like screen right here. It's not a touch screen. You have to use this rotary dial in the center to control it. You have a column mounted shifter, reverse camera. Had nice metal paddle shifters behind the wheel as well. You also have power tilt and telescoping capability with the steering wheel. I like the volume knob and the dynamic modes. Sport Plus. Let's drive this car in Sport Plus. And I like these AC vents too. Nice Mercedes clock as well. Pretty cool interior. And I like the wheel, how it comes kind of like to like a flat bottom. Let's walk around it. You have a blue exterior. I'm not quite sure what the exact name of the color is, but it looks cool. It's a nice looking car. AMG wheels with big Mercedes-Benz brake calipers. 4MATIC badge on the back, and you also have dual outlet exhaust. I've always liked the way this generation of the C-Class coupe looks. It's a nice car. I think this is a great color combo. You don't really see blue on brown very often, and this is a really nice spec. I like the Mercedes-Benz door sills. And one thing I noticed is when I make videos on older Benzes, you guys seem to like that. So I'm gonna try to get some more videos on Mercedes-Benzes in general. I don't really make a whole lot of videos on them. Let's get out on the road. And if you guys want to share facts about this car in the comments, please do. I am a BMW guys and Porsche guy, as you guys know, so I don't really know too much about Mercedes in general. The seats are nice and the seats are comfortable. And also the visibility, despite being a coupe, seems to be pretty good. I can see out the back of the car pretty well. And the blind spots are a little challenging, but it's not as bad as it is in some coupes. Nice. Acceleration is smooth, and these paddle shifters feel great. Nice metal shift paddles. I love when paddle shifters have a good feeling to them. I don't like plastic shift paddles. I really like metal shift paddles, and Mercedes has always had nice quality shift paddles in most of the cars I've tested. Yeah, this thing has great pickup. And the 7-speed automatic is pretty smooth. See, like switchgear is I like when switchgear is good in a car. Like all these metal buttons feel great. I mean, the turn signal stock and everything's plastic, but that's expected. But overall the buttons in this car are nice. Look at that noise from the shift paddle. Nice metal. Let's try like one of these comfort modes, see what that's like. There's your blind spot alert in action right there. Nice and smooth ride, I like it. But yeah, the car feels great. Really nice drive in this vehicle. Car feels very stable too. Suspension feels great. But overall, that was a nice drive. This is a fun car to drive, feels really comfortable and very nice interior. This is a classy vehicle. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for high quality pre-owned vehicles like this one.